Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about how you can set a custom ringtone or how you can do the ringtone settings in your device Samsung A13. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to set a custom ringtone, if you want to do the ringtone settings, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So you have to follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the custom ringtone in your device.